Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 147. So here it is. Let's read the story. Well, back to Jishao and Wei Xingyu. It was next day. Jishao, at this moment, it seems to be she's really getting confused. Said away seeing you, that's it. Well, her face, it seems to be sad. But thanks to you, now, we seeing you, she lift up her chin. Last time, in Horkos, Wansi had met Shawnee, but it seems to be we seeing you is trying to explain to her what happened. Now, we seeing you, she moved closer to her. Well, Jishao, she seems to be surprised and said, really? Ishaosni is your tour group. We met before. Yes, and Yuanzi said that she is now a doctor at the first affiliated hospital of the university. Well, Jishao said, as expected, she continued to be a doctor. Now, she was nodding. It seems to be she was really happy knowing that Shawnee she really fulfilled her dreams and now she became a doctor. However, Wansi was hospitalized yesterday. Jishao, she seems to be surprised by the news of Wei Xingyu now hospitalized. Well, turns out it's really unavoidable even in this world. Well, is she really going to fast also? Hasn't it started over again? Now, she got really worried about this. On the last live, of course, the two of them are really fussing. But now, why does one see still? There's a lot of things and questions on herself, but it makes sense. The thing is, it's really happening again. What are you thinking? Wei Xing is suddenly asking her. It's just an occupational disease. She has been a photographer for so many years. It's normal. Wei Xing said to Jishao. Now, after hearing her, of course, Jishao, she seems to be already calming down. That would be great. Jishao said to Wei Xingyu. Well, after that, speaking to Wei Xingyu, well, maybe she really wants to go to see and visit her. In the hospital, well, Shawnee, pay more attention to rest and start working secretly. Well, Shawnee said to Wansi. Well, Jishao and Wei Xingyu finally arrived. You must be Wansi's friends. The patient needs to rest. Please keep an eye on her and ask her not to work for fun next few days. Well, good. We remember. Wei Xing said to Shawnee, I have something else to do, so I will leave first. Shawnee said to them, that's great, the Shawnee in that world should be also be like this in the end. Well, Jisho, she keeps staring on Wansi. The two of them are going to enter inside the room. Well, I don't have a job, so I'm just cleaning up. Shawnee, now, she was hiding the tools of the crime. She's not working, as she said, but still, she was working on behind of this. Well, this girl, she seems to be workaholic. Well, it's in you. Didn't I say I was fine? Why did you still come over? It's okay. Why did the hospital call me so many times yesterday? Wei Xing said to her, oops, aren't you my emergency contact? This old illness can be cured with a minor operation. Sister C, Sister C, how come every disease seems to be simple in your words? Well, Jishao said to her, but suddenly she throws something on the mid-air. Well, what is it? It is a water bottle or something. Well, definitely. She gave back something to her and said, I give this back to you. Oh, Wansi, she seems to be surprised seeing the things that she gave her. Sister Shawnee, are you? Well, it seems that she was really happy about this. Well, definitely, she really is. At this moment, yeah, Jisha remember everything. So everything seems to be right. You should be more steady. You're several years older than me, but you're still so impetuous. Great, Sister Shao, you finally remember you. You made me so anxious, Shawnee said to her. Now, she was hugging her tightly. Hey, loosen up a bit. I'm going to be strangled to death. You're 6 years older than me, and yet you're so unstable. You're so steady. Well, so steady that you even quarrel with us quietly about the fuss. Mr. Shao, you're really awesome. You're jealous of yourself. Shawnee said to Jishao. Well, who makes me jealous? Do you want to eat an apple? Jishao said to Wansi. Well, back from the old. When Jishao, she seems to be happy. Well, when she was in the hospital visiting Wansi. If you feel it, for me, I will eat it. Well, who calls you a patient? You guys can chat or go find Shawnee. Ask about her surgery. Well, it seems to be. She got really excited on this. I'm telling you, Sister Shao, I was so excited when I saw seeing you in the crowd. There's so many people at the scene. Blah blah blah. Well, she was shuddering. Later, one time, I was taking a photo and whispered directly. We were miserable at the time. Blah blah blah. Well, she was talking too much. As you said, Sister Sing, thank you. If you hadn't been by my side all these years, seeing you wouldn't know how sad she should be. What if it weren't for seeing you? I shouldn't have a good time this year. But speaking of which, even though I wasn't there to witness you two being together, well, once he said to her, but in this world, I'm the only witness to your story. I feel very lucky. In fact, after you left, now, that was really sad back then. I did something very awkward the way seeing you. Now, Jishao, it seems that she remember everything from the past. Now, it really makes her sad. The result is still good. We have to look forward. Things will not always go smoothly. Once he said to her, now, it has to be you. You live more transparently than me. Jishao said to her. Now, she was really smiling, and these things, the reunion thing, it's really getting better. By the way, I just saw Shawnee at the door. Is your attending position? She get closer, of course, but it took me a lot of work. Once I said to her, okay, Sister C, hurry off and catch Shawnee. Jishao said to her, well, she know to herself that she also need to coax Shawnee. Well, Wansi said, don't worry, I'm working hard about this. Now, she was eating apple. This girl, she's really getting tricky. But there's one thing you must remember when you see Shawnee. Well, it seems that Jishao, at this moment, she's trying to give her some advice. When you see Shawnee, Jishao, she was speaking to hers, and now, Wansi, she got really serious about this. She carefully listening to her and said, don't say you have a first love. Well, she was right about this. Based on that time, she's really getting crazy about thinking that Wei Xingyu has a first love and it was not hers, right? Well, definitely, she don't want to repeat the mistake of Wei Xingyu by telling her that she has the first love other than hers. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!